Well, so today is raining this morning. Ah, I'm hearing sound, I think. It's winter, it's very cold, and apart from this, it's raining. So um, I thought of coming to gym or not, but then I decided to come, and now I'll do a bit of exercise. And today again is my leg day, means the day I do exercise for legs. And also today I have one invitation, as my friend's elder brother is getting married and she has invited me. Though the weather is very bad, but I think I have to go because she's my close friend, and it's a very happy moment of their lives, and they want me to be a part of that happiness, and I don't want to let her down. That's the reason that I'm going to go. Let's see what will happen with the weather in the evening, and then I will think about it, but I will take all the preparation of going there. If the weather is very bad, then definitely I have to cancel the invitation, and if it is not that bad, then definitely I will go. Well, so I decided to go, and I have to finish some of my work now. I have already taken my bath and have done some puja, and now I'm doing some of my works now, and then at night I will do the rest because I will go in the evening. Then by 9 p.m. I will be back, and then if I need to do something in my work front, I will do that. And in the meantime, I have also received message from one of the government people for some other project, but they're asking me to go today, but it's just not possible because I don't know why. I have told them several times that's not possible because my everyday is scheduled, and now they are against texting me. But I'm not going with them this time. And moreover, if the project detail is not clear with me, then it's not possible for me to continue. So okay, so I will be checking some of your comments now. I will be giving you replies on my blog website, and the link is in the description box below, and you can check my blogs. If you are not aware about my blogs, then definitely you can go and check that, and I will give you many more interesting stories if I need to give, and if you have any special requirement. Sorry, I paused the video because there were some announcements was going on. Some local brands are selling something, and they're using loudspeaker and announcing their products and all. So I was like, if this kind of things happen, I do. I mean, this is very much difficult for me to keep my concentration on. Every sound is difficult for me. Anyway, this area is quite noisy, by the way. Because of that, I really sometimes lose my concentration. It's a huge issue with me. So I'm thinking of doing some Instagram lives too, and I'll do that. I'm thinking of some topics of people's interest in general. And other noisy things are going. Anyway, we're there Instagram live, yeah. So we are planning to do, and on my Instagram profile I'm planning to do some live, and I am thinking of some topics of in general people's interest. So I will start with those topics first, and then if you guys have some specific topic, you can definitely talk about it, let me know, and I will, if it's possible for me, then I will do those lives for you. Okay. I'm using this laptop since long. This Lenovo IdeaPad, and it's really giving me great service. When I was buying this laptop, I had a vision of my life, and I asked many people to guide me about this laptop, what kind of things I need to, technical things I need to look forward to buy a laptop. And one of my friend, he is from Alipurduar, he's staying in Bangalore, and he guided me about that. I'm really thankful for that. And following his tips only, I bought this laptop, and I'm happy with the service because I'm using different kinds of softwares, and many laptops won't be able to support those softwares. Because of that, I was looking for a very good laptop which can support the softwares and I can work seamlessly. So that's the thing. I have given the laptop's link in the description box so that you can also go and check that. And if you're also looking for a laptop like this which can solve your many purposes, if you know that you have to use some software which may not be supported by other laptops. So even I have seen the people are working with me, when they heard that I do many work using this laptop, they do get surprised, because they sometimes ask me that, don't you face problem of technical problems, and like is your laptop acting slow? But honestly speaking, my laptop is not acting slow, and this is really very very good. I can work the way I want, so I really love it. And one of my recommendations for you guys, yes, this is, I understand there are some other things also we need to look forward to buy a product, but this one is really good, serving me since 2017. So, and serving me since 2017, not only that, serving me very well since the first time. The weather is not good. Yes, I think the rain will come again. I don't know what I will do. But I am like planning for my outfit and my hairstyle and my makeup. After some time I will complete that planning and I will start dressing up. Thinking of doing a content based on music. Content means I want to do live.
on Instagram on my profile. So my first probably would be on music, the music I like and the music people I know like. And if you have some, I'm trying to play this music while on live. And if you guys have some music recommendation, you guys can do. And if you want me to play this music for you, I will do that if I have that connection. Okay. It's difficult for me to use only one hand while working on laptop, but I wanted to talk to you guys, and because of that I decided to sit without a table. It's very cold. Oh my god. Many comments. Okay, I'm taking the names one by one, and I'll be giving you replies. Not only that, I will be giving you replies here, giving you replies there. First, here goes Bhushan. Well, so what we have? You have wrote is, you have commented is, yes, we are pretty familiar with the balcony. Yes, I do post the photo and I have mentioned that you guys have seen my balcony so many times in my Instagram. And then he goes on like that, and this looks like a good outfit, and good to know the COVID situation is improving. And then one smiley. It's improving here. First of all, one thing I need to mention that here in my town there was not much cases like Kolkata, but still, as the government has imposed some rules and regulation, we have to follow as a fellow state's place. But now they are, lifting some of those things up, and life is on flow. But still, what I believe is, if you have the option to not going out due to the chances of getting infected, you can do that. But it is not definitely possible for everyone. So if someone need to go out in any cost, because you can't stop your life and your earnings, that not only affect you, also your family and others. So that's the important thing. I think government should understand that, and others also should understand that. This should be a cooperation between everything. Everything means we all should cooperate, and also government should understand our problems. I know you guys have seen what is happening in Canada. It's horrible. Whatever news I'm getting the news. So the situation is bad because of some government policies. The Canadians are not happy because of that they are protesting. Now see who is right, who is wrong, that's not the thing. But when these kind of things happen, definitely government should understand, should talk to the people, what people want, because people are only giving you the position to run the government, right? So you can't take decision what you think right. You need to take your decision thinking of people, what people are thinking right. If you think that your decision is right for the people, you need to know how to convey that message, and also how to make them understand that whatever you are going to do is going to be okay for your citizens. That's the thing. Well, so I have paused again the video because the music outside was quite loud. I think you guys are getting to now. Oh god, it's actually election campaigning. We have election on 12th, so these political groups are doing their campaigning. So the music is coming from their campaigning, and I just don't want to make my blogger campaigning. That's why I paused it. So, anyway, now the next comment is from Shahina Sheikh. Okay, and she commented, "You look cool." Okay, thank you. It's good. And then is Mandavi. Love the black overcoat. This black overcoat actually, this is not branded. I bought it from the local market of Siliguri, and the quality is really like branded. And I also love this overcoat, and I always feel comfortable wearing it during winter season. And today also I'm thinking of wearing that. So I'm not and confirm about the look, but I'm thinking of wearing that. It is very cold, and I think something warm to wear that I can perfect. Let's see. I'm thinking of wearing a saree, and with that saree, I want to take that coat. Now I have to check our online store, and I have to update the I want to do more variation in my content. Let me see if you guys like those kind of contents or not. I will do it slowly. I believe you will like this type of content about the surrounding now and about the life. It would be unique, I think. And if you guys have some content ideas, you can share it. I have already planned for you guys. Now I have to check if you have some special requirement or not. I actually have to update the inventory. They actually have changed. The layout has changed actually. I'm ready for the event, and I'm today wearing my mom's saree, and the blouse actually is one of my crop top, and this is I bought from Amazon. This coat is from a local market, as I have showed you guys this coat several times. And the side bag, this is also from local market, but this is not from Siliguri, this is from Alipurduar. And shoe also, I have showed you guys this shoe before. This is also from local market of Siliguri. I have done my hairstyle. Actually, this hairstyle is planned by and made by my mom. And as I'm wearing saree, to match that look, I am going with that. And the earring is the earring I have bought from the handicraft fair, and also the jewelry, the same I have showed you guys, I bought from handicraft fair. This is also the same one. As I'm wearing purple saree and my saree is almost plain, there are very few motifs, so I thought this jewelry will look perfect with that. And the lipstick is from my glam, and eye is from Lakme, and I have used contour from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the back view of my hairstyle, which has been done by my mom. You can see. And I think this is perfect one with this look. Well, so folks, I'm back home and I have cleaned all my makeup, and also I have done with my skincare. Now I'm feeling so tired. It was so eventful day. It was full day of work, then a wedding event, so it was eventful, but I spent my time with my friends and it was really good, and the food was amazing. I have showed some of the clips, but there were more than that. But it was not possible for me to shoot each and everything, so I have only filmed the much is possible and the much I think required to give you a gist. So today's vlog I'm ending here. I will be meeting you guys tomorrow again. Bye.